Hello everyone, I am Preeti Tikkas, lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department A Shift of Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. So our fifth practical is draw plan of electrical installation scheme for given LT 415 volt connection using AutoCAD. Practical significance every diploma electrical engineering must have the aware of the various component of the LT installation system with their location and application. The safety norms to be known followed strictly while carrying out the installation. Then what are the aim of this practical? So the aim of this practical is plan electrical installation with their cost estimates. Then practical outcomes. Draw the line wiring diagram of the above 415 volt installation. Draw the symbol of the installation component of their on their location. Then draw the installation wiring diagram for the above plan. Then precaution should be follow. So use the standard electrical symbol for the as per the IE rule. Then segregate the wiring installation with proper suitable color coding based on the distribution outlet. Then clearly specify the position, location, spacing of points and the distribution board with proper labeling and numbering. Segregate the power and lighting installation with separate color coding. Then procedure. First of all, collect the information about the connected load. Then second is collect the size and rating, distribution board of the fuse. Then draw the service connection diagram using the AutoCAD. So this is the LV installation, low voltage installation. This is 415 volt installation. First, this is the 11 kV 400 volt substation transformer is there. From this transformer 400 volt which is provided to the various consumer, that means 400 volt consumer as well as the 230 volt consumers. So here brown wire, black wire, red, yellow and blue and neutral wire which is denoted by the black. So this diagram which is drawn in the AutoCAD and then converted in the PDF form and putting here. So this diagram is drawn on the AutoCAD software. Then second is the underground service connection. So this is a diagram of the underground service connection. This diagram also drawn on the AutoCAD. Then after that this diagram having the underground connection. So from from pole to underground cable is there and then connected to the consumer premises meter board. So this diagram also drawn on AutoCAD. Then I'll take the one example for the underground service connection, underground cable service connection. So in this numerical, the 3-phase 4-wire underground cable service connection is to be given a newly constructed small factory from the existing 400 by 230 volt 3-phase 50 Hz overhead line. The distance of the main board to service pole is 20 meter. So service board, this underground cabling is 20 meter is the distance of that. How to solve this numerical and make the schedule of material. So total 3-phase load is 100 kilowatt. Calculate the load in the ampere is 144.33 ampere. Then Then next, length of the cable. So distance of the pole from distribution board plus length of the pole up to ground plus vertical run from the ground up to the distribution board of the factory plus wastage. So 20 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1.5 and total is 30.5 meter cable is required for that. So what is the schedule of material? So we need for this installation is weatherproof cable from pole to energy meter, which is 30.5 meter is the distance. Then LT cable box 1. Then GI pipe of the cable is 30 meter. Then we need pole clamp for fixing the GI pipe is 6 numbers. Then IC fuse unit of 156 ampere capacity set of 3 fuses, 8 SWG galvanized steel wire from pole R to meter board is 30 meter. Then we need the GI bend for 38 diameter pipe. Then IC cutout fitted with the 4 wire is 1 set. Then ironclad board for energy meter of 45 centimeter into 30 centimeter size. Then bricks of making underground trench as required. Then nuts and bolts 15 diameter, 50.4 long for fixing the main board and the main switch. Then we need the shackle insulator for and other miscellaneous item also need. So this is a schedule of material or list of the material and their quantities for the underground cable service connection. Next is the overhead service connection diagram. So this is the diagram of the overhead service connection, and this diagram also draw in the AutoCAD and then convert into the PDF and paste in this PPT. So this is the complete diagram of underground service connection. Now again also prepare the list of material for this underground cabling. I take one example. Draw a layout of overhead service connection from the supply pole to the consumer main board. The consumer consists of the 4 lights and the fan sub-circuits, 2 power sub-circuit, 1 single phase load required for the above load. Solution: first calculate the total load connected for the lighting sub-circuit, that means 4 fan and lights. So 4 into 800 watt, one sub-circuit having the 800 watt. So total 4 sub-circuits having 3200 watt. Then total load connected for the 2 power sub-circuit is equal to 2 into 1000 watt is equal to 2000 watt. Then total load in watts, it is addition of 3200 and 2000 is equal to 5200 watt. Then load in ampere, 5200 divided by 230 volt is 230 volt is equal to 22.60 ampere. Now prepare the list of material for 22 meter is the load current. So as per the ampere or load current, we take the size of wire as well. So first we need the wire or cable. So 1 by 3.55 diameter or the 10 square PVC insulated aluminum conductor 4 core weatherproof cable, 250 volt grade from pole to meter, it is 22 meter. Then 8 SWG galvanized steel wire from pole R to meter board. Then pole clamp of the mild steel wire, nut and bolt to hold the earth wire with pole, it is one number. Then GI pipe we required 4 meter. Then conduit saddle is also required 8 numbers. Then mild steel hook will required to hold the earth wire with wall, it is 1. Then conduit bends we required 3 numbers. Then after that, teakwood gutties, it is 20 numbers. That means it depends on the packets, how many gutties are there in one packet. Then ironclad board for the energy meter, and their size is 25 centimeter by 30 centimeter, one number. Link clip 70 along of aluminum to hold cable with GI wire is 2 packets. Then porcelain KitKat 30 ampere fuse of meter board with the cast iron cover, sealing devices, nut, bolt. So this is the complete setup of this one. Then neutral link 1, and last is other miscellaneous atom lump sum. So this is the overhead service connection and their list of the material. Thank you.